my name is Sayyid Ali and I'm from Patna, Bihar, and I completed my BTech in Computer Science Engineering. And after that, I'm facing challenges in starting my career. I joined the 45 days job oriented program at eVision Technolab, and the practical training industry focused learning and continuous support helped me strengthen my technical and professional skills after successfully 45 days internship program. So I am happy to share that I have been placed at Sensenet Technology Private Limited with package of 2.89 LPA, and I sincerely thank you eVision Techno Lab for guiding me and support me. Thank you toward my first career opportunity. Thank you.